Okay, we're gonna draw Mike and Sulley from
Monsters Inc.
Monsters Inc. That's right. Okay.
I can draw Mike. I drew Mike before.
Yeah, we're gonna draw Sulley first today. Okay. So we're gonna start with his head. So in the middle of the page, in the middle of your square, I mean, we're gonna draw one horizontal line like this, and then now we're gonna draw half. We're gonna draw. Watch this. We're gonna draw two lines here. Okay, 1, 2, and then we're gonna connect it with half a circle. And then we're gonna draw his eyes and his eyebrows. So let's start with his eyebrow on top here, okay? We're gonna do rectangle, 2 rectangles. One here, they're a little bit slanted, going down. And then we'll do 2 big circles, one underneath each eyebrow, okay? And then inside we'll do the black circle for his eyeball. And then we'll have a small circle here in the middle for his nose. Okay? And his mouth is really big, so we're gonna go from here, so high up, yes, watch this, okay? All the way across.
So big.
Yeah, he's got a big mouth. And okay, and then he's got 2 little horns, okay? So one here, and one here. And then we're gonna turn it around, connect, turn it around, connect it. And his horns have little stripes on them. His body's gonna be like this. So here's his arm. Okay? And his hand is down here. And his other arm is over here.
I know, just same.
The same, yep. For his feet, we're gonna do this. Curve and curve, and then sticks out over here, and then it's gonna connect the middle up here. One last thing, he's got a tail, so I'm gonna draw his tail over here.
It's really long, right?
Yeah, it's not too long. I'm gonna do a couple of triangles on his tail. We'll do 3. Okay, so that is Sulley. And now we'll draw Mike.
We have to do some circles.
We'll do that. We'll do the circles when we color him, okay? And now we have Mike. Okay, so Mike. So we'll start in the middle of the square here. Big eye, okay?
That's a really big eye.
Yes, he's got one really big eye. Very good.
Really big.
And his body is actually let's do his eyebrow so we have room for it. Here's his eyebrow. Okay. Follow the circle. Very good.
Really big.
And then his head and body. So we're gonna do this.
He just has that looks like another eyeball.
The bottom part is a little bit wider, but it's rounded like this. Okay, like an egg.
Okay, try.
Keep going. Very good. Very good connected. Good job. And inside we're gonna have a big mouth. So from the very left, go all the way to the right.
Is it bigger than
It doesn't connect. Yeah, bigger, but it doesn't touch the sides. Okay, keep going. Okay. And on the bottom, we're gonna draw. His mouth is open. Okay, his mouth is open. He's happy. And we have teeth. We're gonna do these little wavy teeth.
And can I do it a little sharp?
No, his teeth is not sharp. On the bottom, same thing. Okay. Bottom, same thing. And inside is his tongue right here. Okay. And we're gonna draw the eyeball inside his eye.
That's really big.
Yep. And the middle part.
Mine look like a lemon.
Yeah, mine is a circle, and then the middle part is black. Okay. The middle part.
The middle part is black.
Yep. Just draw one more circle inside. It's black. Good job. Okay, and now we're gonna draw his horns. So next to his eyebrow. Okay. So his eyebrow, we're gonna do a little curve. And we'll do a little curve. Okay, one on each side.
I know what you mean.
Yes, and then we're gonna, this is sharp, so we're gonna come back like a triangle. Come back like a triangle. I'm gonna draw his arm. So his right arm is gonna go, right side is gonna go down like this. His arm is very skinny, okay? Very skinny. He's waving on the other side, so his other side goes up. Okay, so we're gonna do skinny, skinny, skinny. And he's waving, so his hand is pointing up. Okay.
How about he's waving to his friend Sulley?
He is. Okay, now we're gonna draw his legs. Okay, also very skinny, skinny legs. So, skinny legs.
I'm gonna try to do his skinny legs.
But not too skinny because we have to color later. Okay. So that's.
Like really big.
Good job. Yeah, he's running. Okay, very good.
His foot is back.
Yeah, so that's Mike and Sulley.
Actually, his Mike.
Sulley and Mike.
His foot
Okay, now we're gonna color them. Okay.
That is back.
Okay, let's color them.